Time's a charm, I guess. We'll see. Alright. If you guys can see, we have a new project here on the channel. I want to say it's from 1966. It is a Sears Super 12 Hydro Track. It's been repowered. A different engine. It does run. It drives. The steering's a little weird on it. I gotta fool with that. Has a cigarette lighter. Everything's frozen on this, like all the cables for the choke and the throttle. The ignition's froze on it. It has a little bit of damage to the hood. The tires are bad. That one is gone. See, it's the person I bought it from did say I could get the tires off of Agri Supply or Tractor Supply. It's missing the headlights. Someone just put some metal in there. If anybody knows where I can get parts for this other than eBay and Amazon, I would like the original engine to go in it. The person I bought it from has the original engine and the mower deck, but he didn't want to sell. I think the story went he sold the engine to his neighbor and he was keeping the mower deck. I paid $150 for it. I don't want to cut grass with it. I just want to use it to pull stuff. And for my middle child, he likes these older mowers like I do. And so, just want to show y'all, and I won't talk no more. We'll just give it a quick walk around. And as always, if you know anybody with parts for this, or where I can get parts, just let me know. There's the Scott's riding mower. It's ready to go. That mower needs a head gasket, but that's that'll be a separate video. Y'all want to see my cat? Say hi, Boo Boo. Here's my messy building. I have some mowers in there. I've got a four-wheeler in there. But I'm going to try to do some work to that. Alright everybody, well, I'm going to end it here. Don't want to bore y'all too much with the video. Remember to always to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and I do get back to people on comments. And let's help this channel grow. And we'll bring this back to life, hopefully, in the future.